Hello everyone. In the Meal for One series, today I've come up with the recipe of Namkeen Sewai. For this, we would need some roasted vermicelli, or you can have the normal ones and get it roasted first. In veggies, I've taken some green peas, some finely chopped carrot, finely chopped cauliflower, finely chopped tomatoes, beans, again chopped onion. I've taken one onion, some black mustard seeds, chana dal, one slice of lemon, and I've diced one chili. You can also add urad dal if you have. Also, we would need salt and turmeric. So with the ingredients ready, let's get started with the preparation. In a boiling water, I've added the roasted sevai. Since I've already roasted ones, I have the roasted ones. Once it gets cooked, we can drain out the water in a strainer and keep the cooked vermicelli aside. We start off with the preparation of veggies. In a pan, take some mustard oil, add in the black mustard seeds, let it pop, and then we can add the chana dal and the finely chopped onion. You can also add the urad dal at this time if you have it, or peanuts if you have. You can be very experimental with the preparation. In any case, this would definitely taste good. Now I've added the finely chopped tomatoes and let it cook till the tomato softens. Add in the chopped cauliflower, since this would take the maximum time to get cooked. I have now added the finely chopped carrot, the beans, add in some salt and turmeric so that the veggies get cooked faster. I have also added the sliced chili into the veggies. Once it is half cooked, we add in the green peas, since the peas take the least time to get cooked. Mix all the veggies well. Cover it with a lid and let it simmer for 2 minutes, and the vegetables will be cooked. Add in the vermicelli that we had kept aside and mix it very gently so that it doesn't get mashed up. I have squeezed the slice of lemon to give it a sour taste. And there you go. Your Namkeen Sewai, or the veg vermicelli, is ready. Thank you.